Plastic packaging as we know it is a dirty business. But it doesn't have to be that way. At BioPak, your dirty packaging can help solve the world's waste problem. We use innovative materials to create compostable packaging designed for a circular economy. It starts with plant-based, responsibly sourced raw materials. Unlike oil, plants are rapidly renewable, and they absorb and use carbon from the atmosphere as they grow. It continues with environmentally responsible manufacturing. Our compostable products and food scraps can be turned into nutrient-rich soil. The end is only the beginning. We give back a percentage of our profits to charity and environmental conservation. We champion a global shift to a circular economy where resources are reused and not wasted. Change is in your hands.